In the highly anticipated ruling, the International Court of Justice handed down its decision on Friday that pending its final decision in the case, Venezuela must refrain from taking any action which will modify that situation where Guyana exercises and administers control over the Essequibo region. Judge Joan Donoghue, president of the International Court of Justice, in handing down the ruling, said the court considers that in light of the strong tension that currently characterizes the relations between the parties, a serious risk exists with Venezuela acquiring and exercising control and administration of the territory in dispute.
It therefore concludes that there is a risk of irreparable prejudice to the right claimed by Guyana in the present proceedings that the court has found plausible. The court further considers that Venezuela's expressed readiness to take action with regard to the territory in dispute in these proceedings at any moment following the referendum scheduled for 3 December 2023 demonstrates that there is urgency, in the sense that there is a real and imminent risk of irreparable prejudice to Guyana's plausible right before the court gives its final decision.
Moreover, the court concluded that the conditions for the indication of provisional measures presented by Guyana are met. It emphasized that the question of the validity of the 1899 arbitral award and the definitive settlement of the land boundary dispute between Guyana and Venezuela are matters for the court to decide at the merit stage.
The court recalls that Guyana has requested it to indicate measures aimed at ensuring the non-aggravation of the dispute with Venezuela. When indicating provisional measures for the purpose of preserving specific rights, the court may also indicate provisional measures with a view to preventing the aggravation or extension of a dispute.
Further, having considered all the circumstances, in addition to the specific measures that it has decided to take, the court indicated an additional measure directed at both parties involved.
Pending a final decision in the case, the Bolivarian Republic of Venezuela shall refrain from taking any action which would modify the situation that currently prevails in the territory in dispute, whereby the Cooperative Republic of Guyana administers and exercises control over that area. Both parties shall refrain from any action which might aggravate or extend the dispute before the court or make it more difficult to resolve.
On October 23, the government of Venezuela, through its National Electoral Council, published a list of 5 questions that it plans to put before the Venezuelan people in a consultative referendum set for this Sunday, 3 December 2023, which seeks to annex Guyana's lucrative Essequibo region. Renata Burnette, reporting for the HGP Nightly News.